Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to play a game called Can You Find the Mistake? I'm going to read you a book called Can You See the Butterfly? And every time that I make a mistake or I don't cross-check, you are going to hit the tap light. And when you hit the tap light, that means you have to pause the video and talk to your partner about the mistake that I made. So make sure you have a tap light and a partner. Here we go. Can you see the butterfly? I'm going to do my best to remember to cross-check. And cross-checking is when you make sure that whatever you're reading makes sense, looks right, and sounds right. But if I make a mistake, don't forget to hit the tap light and pause the video and talk to your partner about what I should have said. The is a butterfly. And the is a butterfly. See at all this butterflies? Butterflies can see like where they love. Butterflies can love in the forest. This butterfly sees love a tree. This butterfly looks love a flower. This butterfly looks like a forest. Can you look the butterfly? Butterflies can love in the meadow. This butterfly looks like a flower. This butterfly looks like the mud. Can you see the butterfly have? Lots of butterflies like to eat butterflies. Animals can't eat butterflies. They can't look. The end. How did I do? Did I cross-check?